In just one short week, we will actually be finishing up our unit on writing letters. It may seem like it's coming up quickly, but you guys might be surprised about all the information you have already learned in just these couple first weeks and what you're going to learn by the end of next week. So it seems about time that I inform you what your final is going to be. You are going to be asked to write 2 different letters, and these letters are actually going to be sent out to people. It ups the stakes a little and really makes you write with thoughtfulness, knowing that a human somewhere, depending on who you write to, is going to be reading the work that you send them. One of them is going to be a friendly letter. This one is probably going to be easier for you to write, and we will talk more about this later. Right now, though, I want you guys to start brainstorming ideas for what our business letter is going to be. You all are going to be writing a call to action letter. So this is not just a letter where you sit there and complain to some company because you don't like the way that a company does things. You are instead going to be giving them solutions. So you are going to be writing a company or a group or someone about an issue that exists. You are going to lay out why you think this issue should not exist or why it is bothering you, but then you are also going to take initiative by saying, this is what I think you should do to fix it. So your goal is that by Monday or by Tuesday, you have to come up with 5 topics that you are passionate about, things that you might want to write a letter about. You don't have to research who you would write or research or think of the solutions now. All I want you to do is get your brains turning about the possibilities of the different places you could go with writing this letter. You could go as small as your own school, so you could write a letter to our principal here about something in the school that you would like to see changed. You could go a little bit bigger and talk about something in Wisconsin, so you could send a letter to a governor or to a senator. You could go further out and go all as far away as across the world if you were really so inclined about something. It is entirely up to you. By the end of the day today, I would like to see at least 2 topic ideas to prove to me that you have been thinking, and then by Monday you have to think of the other 3. From there we will whittle it down and find the idea that is going to be the best to be able to write. So this is what your assignment is, and it doesn't need to be a lot. I just want to see your thought process and for you guys to be actively thinking about this, since the final letter is going to be due by next Friday.